So I have a Samsung SGH D807. I busted the cable to the LCD, and I was looking to repair it, and when I opened it up, this little piece right here, if I could get it into focus, it fell out, and I don't know what it is. It's a little black thing with little metal edges. There you go. I don't know what that little thing is. If somebody could tell me, I'd really appreciate it, so I know where to put it back. I'm thinking it has something to do with the microphone spot right down there at the bottom in the center. So, if you guys have any idea, please let me know what that is, and I can put my phone back together. Thanks.